All right, you guys. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia. On this channel, we do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, all the vibes. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe.
She like it on me. I like the way she take it. They like my picture. I make her jealous, she won't say it.
You guys, I have to be honest. I have been cheating on you guys with TikTok. I have been cheating on YouTube with TikTok, and I'm so sorry to say it because I hate when YouTubers are like, oh yeah, I've just been off here because I've been on TikTok, but it's really that's how it is now, but I don't want to be like that. I'm back on YouTube, but I thought if I was gonna cheat on you guys with YouTube, I at least should come back with some valuable information for you guys. So here I am to put my YouTube family on to how I gained more than 40,000 at this point TikTok followers. I love my TikTok family so much, and if you don't follow me on TikTok, go now. I'll leave it linked down below. We just share a lot more raw, real stuff on there, and if you're a girly, go follow. Love you so much. Anyway, so today, you guys, I'm just gonna tell you how I grew 40,000 followers on TikTok and how you literally can too. Anyone can do it, so let's go. The first thing that you have to do when you're wanting to make a TikTok account and grow on TikTok is you have to decide what you want to do. And I know that sounds obviously duh, but you have to decide what you want to do. And for a while I was kind of torn. Just have to choose what you want to do. Do you want to do cooking? Do you want to do makeup? Do you want to do skincare? Do you want to do fashion? Do you want to do freaking robots like dogs, dancing? Are you going to be just a viral, trendy TikToker? What is it? What are you going to be? Okay, you have to decide. Are you going to be a pretty face? Are you going to be a personality? Are you going to be what is it? What is it? Okay, I know it's tempting to just kind of go and be oh, I'm just gonna be pretty and be on TikTok. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna get cute and then make cute TikTok. It doesn't work that way. Sometimes it does work that way, but for longevity, and if you wanna make this your career and make money off of it, and you're just a normal person trying to come up, then pick something. Pick something, not just your face, not just dancing, unless you're a fire dancer and you wanna be a dancer. Pick something else, you know what I mean? For me, I just do the same thing that I do on YouTube. They've kind of accidentally made me a skincare person on there, which I'm not mad at. I love, it falls in the category of beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, all the things that I love, but that's kind of my overarching niche, you know what I mean? Is people like to know about skincare, body care, that kind of stuff for me. Anyway, it doesn't have to be super niche down. Obviously your brand can be you, but it's you and you have to give yourself. If your brand is you, then you need to be speaking to the camera and you need to you know what I mean? It's okay to be you, but you have to be you, okay? Okay, moving on. So kind of I was saying a little bit earlier, you can't just do trendy stuff on TikTok. You can if that's what you want to do, but TikTok is kind of moving towards grabbing and taking other platforms people, and it's more so people go there to learn information. They're trying to be how YouTube is, how when you search on YouTube how to fix my oil, you know what I mean, how to fix my oil in my car or whatever, you would search the same thing on TikTok, and TikTok's kind of trying to do the same thing. Okay, it's trying to be a search engine a little bit with just tons of information since there's so many users on there. But anyway, you can't just do trending audio anymore. You can do trending and in combination with sit down talking videos, vlogging videos, mini vlogs, whatever it is, but you can't just sit there and think that you're just gonna make cute videos of yourself all day and cute TikTok dances and think you're gonna blow up, because there are so many people trying to do that same thing, and they're all beautiful, they're all stunning, you know what I mean? There are so many people on there doing that same thing, trying to blow up. What you need to do is give the people your personality. Give them your personality, your energy, your vibes. That's what people are really connecting to nowadays, is they want somebody real. They want to feel like they know you. Most of my videos are sit down talking videos because that's what the people like from me, and I love doing it. I'm a talker and that's just me. So I give them my personality and I deliver the information I'm trying to deliver, and works like a charm. They're either cooking while they're making the video and they're talking, they're telling me about how they do their laundry. Like, there's so many different aspects of people's lives that they show you on there, but you have to be yourself in order to shine. Like, you know what I mean? There are tons of people in the world, but there's only one you. So you have to get on there and just give them everything that you are. Just give them yourself. So use a combination of trending audios and like sit down talking videos, but also you can use trending audios in the background of your sit down talking videos, but not all the time, because TikTok's kind of like pushing original sounds right now. So like stuff you made yourself instead of like a video that has a trending sound underneath it. Of course, TikTok's always gonna be trending and like, you know what I mean? They're gonna always be doing the trends. So that's never going to go away, but they are pushing smaller creators who are making their own content, their own talking videos, their own original sounds. So I would highly recommend that you try to just sit down and talk to the camera. It's much easier than YouTube because it's like 3 minutes, 15 seconds, however long you want it to be. So you can do it, you can do it. So you want to build a bond with your followers. You want to make them feel like that's your best friend and you're like talking on FaceTime to them. Like that's how TikTok makes you feel. For our queens, the girlies, like, you know what I mean? Like we're just bonded and I love them. Most of the time, all of my comments are really positive. The women are beautiful. They're giving their advice. Like I just love them and I'm building a bond with them every day. And I always feel like my girlies on TikTok, like they would ride for me if I needed them to ride for me. I'm like, these are my friends. Like I live for them. So make sure that you're building a bond with your people. You're interacting with your queens. You've got to like their comments, pin their comments. You've got to just interact and follow people back. Like there's so many times where I'm like scrolling in my thing and I see somebody's page and I'm like, that girl is literally beautiful. It doesn't matter how many followers she has, it doesn't matter, whatever. She's so beautiful, and I'll go and show her some love, or I think her content's funny. Like, you know what I mean? Like just interact on TikTok. And that's actually my next point, is interact on TikTok in general. Leave comments. Like TikTok is not like Instagram where commenting on some random picture is like weird. TikTok likes that. So if a video comes up and you think it's funny, leave a funny comment that you thought of. Like leave anything, compliment somebody, ask somebody where they got their shirt from, anything. Interact on the app because that's what they want. They love to see people interacting on the app. And I'm telling you, if I'm not interacting on TikTok, my videos do not do the same. But if I'm on there commenting, liking, following people, like interacting and just being a girly, a TikTok girly, then TikTok kind of like favors me more. And I don't know if I'm like making that up, but I truly think that if you use the app, you'll like grow faster. Like I really, really think that in my soul. You want to post like 5 times a day. And I know that sounds a lot, but like you're making 15 to 3-minute videos. Like you totally have the time in the day, even if it's at nighttime, the early morning, whenever, you can make the time to film 5 videos a day. Obviously not every day, but if you're serious about it, you can do it. Like you can do it if you're serious. If you really want this, you can do it. It's the same as YouTube. You can film them all in the same day. Take one Saturday and film 100 videos and you're set. You know what I mean? Anyway, post 5 times a day because TikTok is like a mass, like we consume, think about every time you go on TikTok, you're consuming like hundreds of videos at a time, like so many. So the content needs to keep pushing in order for you to stay relevant. And when I don't post consistently, I see a drop in my numbers, and that's just the tea of it all. That's just simply the tea of it all. You have to post often on TikTok. Also, you're gonna figure out, like, you should post as often as you can, but you're also gonna figure out when the best times are to post. When you start posting a lot, you're gonna see like, oh, this video at 11 a.m. for my followers did really, really well. This video at 6 p.m. didn't do as well. Maybe most of my followers are active at 11 a.m. So then you start posting at 11 a.m. every day. You know what I mean? Like you need to figure out kind of like when's the best. Like for me, it's like midday, like 12. My nighttime videos do not do well. My morning videos don't really do as well. Midday is perfect. Like 12 p.m., perfect. 11 a.m., perfect. Do you know what I mean? And honestly, that's kind of it. That's kind of it. There's not a lot to it. Make sure you're adding like choppy edits in your video. Like don't talk for too long without there being a cut. You might have to just like get used to that kind of like, oh, talking for 5 seconds, cut it. Talking for 5 seconds, stop the video. You know what I mean? Like you're gonna have to get used to that, like click, 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 because people like to see that on the screen with TikTok. They like the frames to be cut. It's more interesting. Things are happening. People are feeling the vibes. Like you have to make sure that you're like doing choppier edits and maybe zoom in and like whatever. Just like do some type of something creative on there, because it really helps people stay on your video. Because a part of TikTok is not only the likes and the followers and like seeing the video, it's also the watch time. So if you are making longer videos, like 3-minute to 10-minute videos, you need to make sure that you're like holding on to your people, because that really matters as well. So when I first started posting on TikTok, I was posting like trendy videos, like, you know, like trendy videos, just following the sounds, looking cute, just being like, you know what I mean? That's what I was doing on TikTok. And I actually accidentally like grew 20,000 followers. This is just my story. I accidentally grew 20,000 followers like overnight. I just was kind of posting and I had like 500, 600 followers. And then I posted this one video to this random sound like 2 years ago now. And 2 years ago or a year ago, I can't remember, but a long time ago, I posted this. And it just blew up. It blew up for my TikTok at the time. Obviously now I have videos that have more views than that video did, but like at the time, in the moment, it had like 250K, which was like, wow. And I gained 20,000 followers off of that, which is also wild, really wild, because I see people blow up with like 1 million views and then they only have like 9,000 followers. So the fact that I blew up and had 20,000 followers is so crazy. And for me not to capitalize on that was like really stupid. So I took a long break from TikTok and didn't post anything, or I would post like trending videos and just kind of like trying to like break through. But it wasn't working out for me. It wasn't working out for me. My TikTok was dead. Like nothing was going on there. Some of my videos would get 0 views. Like even though I had 20K, some of my videos would literally get 0 views. Like there's just, it was just not working out for me until I sat my butt down and started being myself on TikTok and showing the products that I love and just being a girl's girl on TikTok. That's when it really worked out for me, and my like personality really was shining through, and the girls were relating to me. They were liking my advice. So yeah, posting trending stuff is cool, but it doesn't keep people wanting to come back to your page. So make sure that you just keep that in mind when you start building your TikTok. If this is for longevity, and like real money and real like people, real authentic like relationship with people online, then you need to make sure that you're giving yourself. Like you can't just get on, like, you know what I mean? You can't just be like someone you're not, or be fake, or just show one facet of your life. You have to really give the people what they want, and what they want is to find somebody who they relate to, they bond with, and just be a little bestie online. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's honestly kind of weird to sit down and film a video where I'm talking for this long, because I feel like I've been talking for 3 minutes max on TikTok. So it's really strange to be talking for this long, but I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you gained something. You guys know how I do for you. I freaking ride for you guys on YouTube, and I'm back. I need to tell you guys that I'm literally back. I'm back, and I'm better than ever. We're on a whole new vibe. You guys are gonna get content all the time. Like, we're about to grow this channel, and we're about to be the best we've ever been, okay? I just want you guys to know how much I appreciate you, because without you guys on YouTube, like, I would not have started any of this journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.